Yeah, orange. The water is becoming cloudy now. Yeah! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today, I gonna build my new fish tank. And I already buy the empty tank and so many decorations. So please, stay tuned. Can you please give me the tank? Okay, this started with the tank. Can you please give me the sand? Please? Okay, now I'm gonna put the sand in. But before I put this into the tank, I'm gonna clean the tank. Give me the tissue, please. Okay, thanks. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean the tank. That my tank is not dirty. This is clean. Do you think this is clean now? You think this is clean now? Yeah. Okay. It's time to put the sand. Now it's sand time. Sand. Oh my gosh, I see smoke coming off. Now, so that the sand is covering all the seams. Push the card. Okay, put this plastic here. I'm setting this tank so that this is good enough. All the corners got sand. Now it's time to put our decorations. Can you please give me the decorations, please? A little more tidy up. I'm decorating the tank by using these decorations. I'm gonna put this here, as I did see. Put that here. And push up. And then this, I'm gonna put this thing here. Digging this thing and put it here. Cover it up. I think this is enough because I just don't want to put the coral because this is not saltwater tank. That's a perfect fit. Mom, and yes, that's the perfect one. So I will need to put water in here. Now it's ready for the watering. Pump here and resting this on. Watering. Now the water is cloudy now. Blow the sand. Blow the sand. So this is just blowing the sand. The water is becoming cloudy now. These are because from the water stream. That is done. And this is enough water space. Here and then I should take this in this bag. And then can you please give me the filter? Ooh, the worst thing happens. The water turns become cloudy. Should you please give me the filter? Here is the filter. I will untie this cable here. Now this is the cable line. And When this is electricity, I need my mom's help. Okay. Sorry, I forget to buy the pump. I go to the store to buy it first. Stay tuned. I got to the store to buy the pipe. Like that. That's my fish. Oh,
See,
one got the lamp.
and the pipe.
I already set the pump.
See,
I need my mom's help to plug in this. Now I'm going to put this in the water. I need that. This is the pipe. Ready, set, go. Yeah! Now the pump was working. Guess what I need more? It's the light. Set this suction cups. And again, I untie this first. Now I also again need my mom's help to plug in this. Mom, help! Yeah! Now it's ready to put the fish. I'm gonna take my net first. I'm gonna try to scoop this. This. Like this. Yeah, look at this one. Way. Then after taking the Play-Doh, and I got the Play-Doh. Then enough. There has no fish. Now it's time for this. Perfect. Can you please give me the scissors? Wait a minute. I'm gonna take the scissors. This, I got the scissors. Now first, I got this. Here's cut plastic. I put this fish in with its clean. Guys, bye. With that, now let's ready for the ghost. The thing that we're waiting for is the demon. I gotta fill up the ghost fish into the tank. And look, the ghost fish is going to the plate. Look at this thing. Looks like an angel fish. Look at this. It's moving. Where's the ghost fish? Now, there's the ghost fish. Now, these are the suction cups. This is our Among Us team aquarium. Guys, that fish makes the king play sand like eating. Look at this. This fish is doing like eating sand. Watch this thing. Oh yeah, I see the ghost fish. That's the team. But wait a minute, I want to pee first. Okay? I'm coming back now. I already peed. Where did the ghost fish? Oh yeah, that's demon. You can changing the color of the light. Yeah, orange. Yeah, orange. I need the orange one. Try another one. Yeah, I need this. Falling. Oh, not blue. Yeah, this is what I need. Two of these fish, the name is Leaf. This one, the name is Pipe. The ghost fish, the name is Machine. And the Plato name is Chair. And the last one, the angel fish. And that fish here, the name is Angel, you know?
Angel.
Yeah, that's a beautiful name for this thing.
Okay.
Look at this. Looks, oh my god, these look peeled off skin. But this is Angel. Here. Angel has become here. The angel here, he started to go up. Oh, fish. I just need the orange, but sometimes I need this. I need this, but the most one, I need this. This is the most one that I need. The tank is finished. This is the most beautiful tank ever. Don't forget to subscribe my video so that you won't miss my other beautiful adventure. Thanks for watching and see you on the next project. I'll see you later.